In this video, we'll show you how to change your notification settings so you get the alerts and messages that you want. First, unlock your Pixel phone. Then swipe down from the top of your screen to see your notifications. Choose a notification and slowly swipe it to the side. Tap Settings. Choose if you want these notifications to alert you or appear silently without an alert. To turn off notifications from this app, tap Turn Off Notifications. Tap the type of notification that you want to turn off, then tap Apply. To change more notification settings for this app, tap See More. To change notification settings for other apps, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap Manage. Tap and hold an app name. Then choose which type of notification you want to see. Now you know how to change your notification settings. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.